Hey calligrapher friends! Today's video is about how to use Dr. P.H. Martin Bleedproof white ink for your pointed pen calligraphy. I would say this is one of the most essential and my favorite ink to own as a calligrapher, since it's easy to use and gives a stunning opaque white finish on any type of paper. When you first open the brand new jar, the ink is very thick, and you'll see that there's a slight separation of liquids inside. Simply give a nice stir with your brush, making sure to mix up everything from bottom to top. Then, from here, there's two ways to go about it. You can add water straight into the jar as a whole, or, as I have done here, you can squirt out some inks into another container, then make an ideal thickness. I've transferred the ink into my DINKY dip, then added water, because I thought this transferring method might be better in the long run. When you get the ink to be the thickness of milk, your ink is ready for writing. I've used this white ink on a variety of colored paper stocks, and they always turned out great, giving a nice opaque, rich white finish. It's my go-to ink and base of my calligraphy practice. SUMI ink for black letters and Dr. P.H. Martin for white letters. Not only can you use this ink for your calligraphy, I've also loved using them to correct my ink mistakes on white paper, just like a whiteout, like this kind of blobs and mistakes. This is very versatile ink because I've seen other artists using it to add highlights into their watercolor paintings. I think this ink is worth having in your collection as you continue your creative journey as a calligrapher. Hope this video helped you while you practice your pointed pen calligraphy. It would be so encouraging if you could hit that like button and subscribe to support your fellow calligrapher. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have a calligraphy topic in mind that I can address in the next videos. Thanks for watching and happy writing!